Hi, my name is Rachel Amarachuku Pabi, and for my week 6 interview question, I'm going to describe how I would write a recursive function that checks if a given binary tree is a valid binary search tree. So a binary, as we all know, search tree follows two main rules, which is number one, all values in the left subtree must be less than the value of the current trade. Of the current node. So all values in the right subtree must be greater than the value of the current node. That is the second rule. So to check this with recursion, I would think in terms of boundaries. So every node has a range of values it's allowed to have. So a minimum and a maximum. That's it. So at the very start, the root can be any value. The root can be any value basically. So the range is from negative infinity to positive infinity. So here's the step-by-step approach that I'll likely use. First, if the current node is empty, I return true, because an empty tree is always valid. So, and if the node value is outside the allowed range, I'll return false immediately, because the breaks that breaks the BST rule. So then, if I check the left child, but I update the maximum allowed value to be the current node value, because everything is on the left everything that's basically on the left must be smaller. So I also check the right child, but I update the minimum allowed value to be the current node value, because everything on the right must be larger. So if both left and right checks comes back as true all the way down, then the tree is a valid BST. So the reason why this will actually work is that this minimum and maximum boundaries carry the rules, as we all know, carry the rules down down the tree, and making sure every node, not just the immediate children, follows the BST property. So that is basically how I recursively check if the binary tree is a valid binary search tree. Thank you.